In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer your Nintendo Switch save data to your PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. What you have to do first is go into the System Settings from the home screen and access the Data Management tab. Inside Data Management, you should immediately see the option Move Data between your system and your microSD card. As you might assume by the title, you are going to need a microSD card and a microSD card reader on your computer to properly transfer stuff from your Nintendo Switch to your PC. In this menu, you can select which software, which data, whatever you want to transfer from your system storage to the microSD before transferring it to your computer. After you transfer your data to your microSD from this data management window, you can simply go back to your computer using a microSD card reader and input the microSD card on your computer, where you will be able to access all of the contents of the microSD card, aka whatever you selected to transfer. Afterwards, you can simply input the SD card back into your Nintendo Switch console and remain using it as much as you'd like. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Switch data to your PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.